don't know if you can hear it in the video, and it's really hard to see it because these trees are whipping around here. But it's hard to tell on video. Anyway, it is crazy windy here. Just a second ago it rolled through and it seemed like all the trees have been snapped. We did lose one tree this morning. It wasn't terribly huge, but it wasn't super small either. And like y'all to know, who really likes the weather? Yep, the ducks. Ducks love hurricanes. Anyway, Hurricane Florence a couple weeks ago. Now Hurricane Michael. We've got some water in the unfinished portion of our basement. Sump pump is working. And hopefully it continues to do its job. But wow, it's loud here. I don't know if you can see. Everything is blowing like crazy. I think we might lose more trees before it's all said and done. Dark out here. It's only 3-something, but it seems like it's 6-something. To the tops of those trees over there. Anyway, stay safe out there. Anything crazy happens, we'll post more.